everyone, we're from Udayana University and this is our paper on potential combination of probiotic Lactobacillus reuteri, encapsulated high internal phase emulsion Alginate, and modulation of Thylakoid-Based prebiotic diets as alternative prevention strategies for atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is characterized by an atheroma that lines the vascular lumen, which then causes ischemia and leads to peripheral, cerebral, and coronary artery diseases. Atherosclerosis has one of the highest morbidity and mortality rate amongst cardiovascular diseases globally. The existing long-term preventive measures are considered less than optimal, and accordingly, utilization of probiotic and prebiotic agent as a preventive approach has been developed, seeing its promising potential, low cost, and minimal side effect. Therefore, we aim to investigate the potential of the combination of HIPE alginate encapsulated probiotic L-reuteri with Thylakoid-based diet modulation as a preventive measure against atherosclerosis.
The literature search was carried out using online scientific journal database including ScienceDirect, PubMed, and Cochrane Library. The main keyword used in this review were atherosclerosis, anti-atherogenesis, anti-dyslipidemia, anti-cholesterol, prebiotic, thylakoid, probiotic, Lactobacillus reuteri, high internal phase emulsion, and alginate. The inclusion criteria used in this review are publication of the last 10 years and written in English or Indonesian. Using this method, we found 48 suitable studies as the main reference. All studies were then critically reviewed in terms of validity, importance, and applicability. All collected data then compared and further analyzed.
Next is our result and discussion. Lactobacillus reuteri is a part of human's gut microflora and found to have anti-atherosclerotic effect through the anti-cholesterol and anti-inflammatory pathways. This strain shows the highest potential compared to other lactobacillus species. However, exposure to gastric acid and bile salt can significantly reduce the lifespan of these bacteria. We summarize the previous studies of L-reuteri effects on lipid profile of atherogenic model in this table. Thylakoid, a component in chloroplast with functions related to photosynthesis, was discovered to affect atherosclerosis positively through fat emulsifications, antioxidant pathway, and activations of peroxisome proliferator activated receptors or PPARs, and these substances may also act as prebiotic, sustaining the survival and growth of L-reuteri in the gut by regulating appetite and food consumption.
One of the novelties that we present through our paper is the potential combination of L-reuteri and Thylakoid-based diet. L-reuteri and thylakoid have anti-atherogenic effects through bile salt hydrolase enzyme secretion mechanism, immunomodification effect, regulation of cholesterol absorption, production of short-chain fatty acids, increased antioxidant activity, inhibition of G.K.A reductase, and regulation of gut microbiota through the prebiotic effect of thylakoids. L-reuteri was found to have a significant increase in the ileal mucosa of experimental animals fed thylakoid compared to controls. HIPE alginate encapsulation aims to increase the viability of probiotics in the gastrointestinal tract. HIPE refers to the process of forming an emulsion with an internal phase rarefaction of more than 74%. Compared to other polymeric compounds such as chitosan, alginate-based encapsulation has a significant protective effect in aiding the administration of probiotic and is non-toxic.
For the conclusion, the combination of probiotics and prebiotics, especially L-reuteri, with dietary thylakoid was reported to have a significant anti-atherogenesis effect. In addition, encapsulation using HIPE alginate in L-reuteri was reported to increase the viability of probiotics and provide protection against low pH condition in the stomach when given orally. However, this review also has some limitation. This review lacks studies that reported the mechanism and interaction between probiotic and prebiotics, thus requiring further testing and investigation, especially in human clinical trial. That concludes our paper, and thank you for your attention.